Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the battery percentage not showing while charging. So here I am going to charge my phone. You can see it is charging, but the battery percentage is not showing. You can see. So let me show you how to fix this problem. For this, simply go to settings, tap on the option display. Simply scroll down. Here you can see the option show charging information. Turn on this option and go back, tap on the option battery, scroll down. Here you can see the option show battery percentage. Turn on this one. Okay, if charging details don't appear on the screen, these settings may disabled. Turn it on, restore battery information during charging. So simply in this way, we can fix the battery percentage not showing while charging. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.